Okay, now that you have created your file for uploading, what we're going to do now is create a CATME class and then a CATME activity. I'm assuming so far that you have already created a CATME account. There's a web video on showing you how to create a CATME account if you have not done that already. So I'm going to go to CATME. I'm going to go ahead and click login. Then I'm going to log in with my email address and the password. If you've forgotten your password, there's a web video to show you how to regain your password. It's going to log me in here. Now that it's logged me in, I'm going to go ahead and create a new class. Now I can go up here and hit help anytime I need help. So I'm going to create my class, which is going to be called FINA, and it's going to be for the fall and lecture. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next. I'm not going to calibrate, but you can do that if you want to learn more about it. Go ahead and click help. I'm going to leave the default as extra messages. This will tell students what type of team player they are. Again, if you need more information, you can look up here. And then now I'm done. I'm going to go ahead and hit done and finish, and it's created the class for me. Now I'm going to create an activity. An activity allows me to poll the students to see how they're doing on their teams, so I can have more than one activity throughout the semester. Maybe the first time I'd like to have one activity, then come back and see if they've improved in the second activity towards the end of the semester. I'm just going to do CATME bars. This allows the students to evaluate each other. Team Maker is a more advanced, which allows you to create your teams based on certain attributes of the students. I'm going to name the activity. I'm going to call it Final Team Project. I'm going to put a start date and an end date for which I can assess them, or they can assess their teammates. Here are all the different categories for which we can evaluate, or the students can evaluate each other on. I'm going to leave the default here, but you can look at this and see if there's more or less activities. You can go ahead and go next. Now I'm going to add in my students, so I'm going to choose a file. I'm going to go to where I put that, and I put it down on my download folder, and there it is right there. I'm going to open that, and I'm going to import it. Then I'm going to go to next. Then I can delegate it to other faculty if I want to. Go ahead. And I am done. The students will get an email saying that they need to participate in this team. We'll go ahead and hit save and return.